Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax Savannah here, and today I've got a 2026 Yamaha 255 FSH. You can see that it's coming on this aluminum trailer, which is great, especially if you're going to be in the saltwater areas. Definitely less corrosion on that. You've got a spare tire on the front that comes equipped on this trailer. Tandem axle, dual, it's absolutely wonderful for distributing the weight. And I'll show you this swing arm tongue right here. Pull that out and you can rotate that tongue right there, so if you need a little extra space in the garage or you just want it to be a shorter length, you can go ahead and swing that. So really nice feature of these trailers. I'm going to go ahead and bring you to the back and we'll get started. All right, as you can see right here, we've got the deployable swim ladder, which makes it super easy to get off and on the boat in the water. You've got these right here, these plug-ins, and this is for a proprietary seat that Yamaha makes. You have this seat that plugs into these brackets right here. It's on the left and the right side of the boat, and it allows you to sit partially in the water and to essentially make this your table right here. You've got cup holders along here, and you've got the stereo control right there. People love this feature, especially on those hot days when they don't want to be fully in the water, but they want to be slightly immersed. You've got this bracket right here, which allows you to plug in a table, so you can set up your charcuterie board, maybe some wine or whatever else you'd like on there. So overall, that's a great feature of this boat. People really enjoy that. Down here, you can see that you've got Yamaha's jet propulsion technology. This boat comes equipped with 2 Yamaha high output motors, and people love these. You can get in shallow water with them, and overall just very good versatility. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the boat and we'll start going through that. Okay, so up here in the bow, the first thing I want to highlight here is the amount of space. I mean, obviously you can see I'm standing up here and I've still got a good amount of space to my left and to my right. You've got a good size anchor locker right here for securing that anchor and all the rope and the chain that goes with it. You've got a plethora of cup holders up here along with these 2 speakers on either side. Very comfortable, easy place to lay out on. This centerpiece right here pops out and becomes a table. And then I'll go ahead and bring you right back here. I open these doors right here. You've got your tackle boxes right there. You've got this convenient drawer right there. Trash can right there. That's always a good question, is where I'm going to throw the trash in the boat, and Yamaha solves that issue right there. Something else that people really love about these boats is if I pull up on this right here, you can see Yamaha's created like a makeshift changing station. There's quite a bit of room in there. You can essentially stand in there and change and whatever else you need. And if you don't need that, then maybe just make it into a storage unit as well. So. Nice feature right over here. You've got your see-through live well. I know a lot of kids are going to love that when they get to see the fish in there after they've caught them. Really nice setup here. I think Yamaha did a great job with that. I'll go ahead and bring you back here. So you can see where I'm standing that this gunnel nearly comes up to my hip. Yamaha has done that on purpose because they want the versatility of a fishing boat that can accommodate the family. And I think they've done a perfect job with that. If you're worried about the kids running around the boat, potentially falling off and whatnot, this is going to guarantee that they do not. You've got rod holders along the sides. This is going to be on both sides of the boat. You've got this bolster right here, which is very nice for leaning. You're casting the rods all day. You're not going to be uncomfortable on these, that's for sure. You've got rod holders right here. You've got another speaker here, and you've got a hard top up here with even more rod holders, couple of lights, and more speakers. This boat is definitely equipped for some entertainment and some good fishing. Bring you over to the helm over here. One of the benefits of going with the E series is it's going to come with this Simrad. And if you're local, if you're familiar with these waters and everything, you're definitely going to want that. So it's wonderful that it already comes with that. You've got this phone holder / charger right there, Yamaha readout screen, all of your auxiliary buttons, Yamaha jet motor controls right here, steering wheel with a ball on it, overall, perfect interface, very nice. I like how it's seamless with this right here. It's flush with this acrylic panel. Overall, it looks nice. It performs nicely, very easy to use. You've got a little glove compartment right down there. Yeah, really well done on their part. Captain's chair right over here, whether you want to be seated for the whole ride or maybe you want to stand up for a while, rotate those upward. You've got a perfect little cruising station right there. Bring you to the back here. Something I want to highlight right down here is you've got your raw water and your fresh water. So we've got a freshwater tank on this boat that's going to pump that out. Maybe the kids are coming in from the beach. You want to get them cleaned up and whatnot. It's a great thing to use to be able to spray things down. Overall, really happy about that feature on this boat. We'll go ahead and open this motor compartment right here. Bring this up. You can see you've got the twin Yamaha high output motors. This boat is very well powered. It's fast, it's convenient, and you've got cushioning foam up here to prevent some of that noise. So that's always some people's concern when it comes to purchasing a boat with an inboard motor is it going to be noisy? And I would say that Yamaha does a very nice job of reducing that inboard motor noise. You've got this Engel cooler with the Yamaha brand on it right there. Very nice, perfect place to store it. And then I wanted to show you, you can rotate this downward, bring this down. Maybe you need some extra space for standing while you're casting those lines and whatnot. So they've done a great job of giving you a ton of space on this boat. And once again, this is a 25-foot boat with a lot of space on it. You've got your bait well right here. Another nice acrylic see-through feature. Really like that. Here's your freshwater and raw water wash down hose right here. Overall, just a great setup. We've got more rod holders back here. We've got our battery switches in this compartment right here. Very easy to get to. No fuss around that. And then to wrap us up here, I'll bring you to the back, and we've got these pads, these backrests right here to make it very comfortable for you. If you want to sit back here, you want to face the water, maybe you're talking to the guests that are on those pull-out chairs, you've got these really nice backrests right here. Guys, overall, phenomenal choice, whether you're a first-time boat owner or you're a long-time boat owner. This Yamaha jet boat is a really good choice. And once again, my name is Jacob from MarineMax of Savannah. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.